Want to know how we got this bomb tape in install? Well, keep watching to find out. What's up, everyone? It's Shanice, aka Charlotte Ombre, aka Pineapple Styles, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my first video in my studio. If you've been keeping up with my hair tutorials, then you would know I used to work in a different salon, but now I have my own space. It's been about 2 months since I've moved in here, so it's been a while since I've recorded a hair video. Like, I've been recording, but I couldn't edit, so. But today we have a very special video. I have a collaboration with the hair company CurlsQueen. We did a hair giveaway. And so with that, I'm going to get started on coloring the hair for the giveaway winner. So this is the box. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to insert me unboxing the hair. Thank y'all for bearing with me through that intro. I wanted to leave it in because this was a year and 4 months ago when I had first gotten into my suite. I had an amazing offer to work with CurlsQueen. They sent me tape-in extensions and, well, we did a giveaway and they sent in tape-in extensions, and I brought in one of my friends who's a makeup artist so that she would do the makeup for the giveaway. So yeah, I was just super excited, and I'm so sad I didn't get to upload this when the giveaway happened. But there was just issues with transferring the videos from my phone to my computer. But now that I'm able to get it done, y'all, I am posting it still. Ain't no shame in my game. But yes, as you can see, I am unboxing the things that come with the package. You get a Tangle teaser brush, 3 duckbill clips. Well, alligator clips, I'm sorry. Basically like a braiding comb. You get like the little Velcro stickies to help section off the pieces of hair. And then it's like a little note. So let's open it and see what they got in there. Oh, I'm lying. It's not a note. You also get tapes to like redo the tapes. And y'all, I still have this hair from 2022. So I am going to retape it. I'm going to color it black and retape it and then try to install it in my own hair. So look out for that video. It won't be till probably next month, but I'm going to do it, y'all. Like, I promise I'm going to do it because I've always wanted to do it. I learned it in classes and stuff, but yeah. So it also comes with this satin bonnet. And it actually reminds me of my satin bonnets, where it's double-sided satin, and then it's adjustable. And then here is the hair. Ooh, so exciting. And yes, this is the thank you note. So yeah, just a simple thank you, no extra words on it. So let's unveil this beautiful hair, okay? All right, so we have 2 bundles of 20-inch body wave tape-ins. Aren't they just gorgeous? This is 40 tapes, I think. I think it's 40. So basically, overall, you get like 20 sections of hair. So yeah, they come in 2 separate nets. And yeah, we're going to just get right into coloring this hair. For my lightener, I'm using Redken, and I'm starting with powder, their blue powder lightener, and a mixture of 20 volume and 30 volume. I'm going to color the hair in an ombre fashion because my client has previous color that was blue that I actually did for her, and so I'm going to refresh her blue, but she doesn't want to bleach any more of her hair, so that's why we are doing like an ombre. Always check your hair mid-process. I'm reapplying my lightener because I need this hair to get to like a level 8. I want a really vibrant blue, and so Yeah, the extensions are really going to give her that vibrant blue color. So this is what the hair is looking like after I let it process for a little while, and I just rinsed out the lightener. As you can see, I have some light pieces, but I can get a little better with this color before applying the blue. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse it with purple shampoo to kind of start toning out those underlying pigments. And then after that, I'm going to go back in and lighten the hair again. At this point, I was super excited. I love this color and I'm done with the lightening. It's time to shampoo the hair again. So this is how the hair looked after I washed it with the Olaplex purple shampoo. Very light blonde. And we're going to go in mixing Tragic, Powder, Decoy, and Clear from the Pulp Riot line. The Pulp Riot colors have to be applied on dry hair, so I just quickly blow dried the hair out so that I can apply the color. So this is my color. Alright y'all, it is time for my client's appointment. This is her before, faded color, really grown out, so it's time to refresh her color. For this color application, I'm not taking too precise of sections just because I'm applying to previously lightened hair. And with Pulp Riot color, you want to make sure that you're not rubbing it so much that it turns white. Once it turns white, the color will not be even. So you want to make sure when you apply it that the color is holding its pigment. I have let her hair processed and I shampooed and deep conditioned her hair. So now I'm going in and giving her a round brush blow dry. Now, as you can see, she has a looser texture and she normally wore her hair straight at this time. So it was gonna be a nice blow dry. You'll see the results in a few seconds. Look how silky that blow dry is. Now I'm going in and giving her a nice little haircut, just taking care of those ends so that her hair can still continue to grow in a healthy way. Alright y'all, time for the fun part. This is my first full head of tape ends, so let's just do what it do.
can't be without you. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't even brush my teeth without you. No me without you.
Alright, so here I slowed it down, showed me doing the install. I've tried to make sure I take thick enough sections of my client's hair because she has fine hair, but you also want to make sure there's not too much that it's pulling on any like sections awkwardly, because then you don't want her hair to grow it out. So as you can see, I had to kind of do this one over. So ain't no shame in the game. Do it again. I'm gonna put it down and then go ahead and pull those little extra hairs out. Take your time too so it doesn't hurt, right? And you see that's a nice clean section. And then what I'm gonna do after I make sure it's thick enough and everything is clean, I'm gonna take the next section of hair, pull off the little cover on the adhesive and stick them together. Now I didn't have one of those clamping tools to clamp the hair together, so I just used an unplugged flat iron. No, this thing is not on, and like I said, it's not plugged in. I just used it and squeezed them together, and that's it.
My heart's dead. I gotta take this away. Reaching back for what isn't fair. Need restraint to answer my prayers. Been so long since we had our prime, but I keep falling back in time. One call, one look at your photo. I go insane, going out of my head inside. Need to find something to pull me back before I go over the edge. Oh no. One call, one look at your photo. I go insane, going out of my head. No pride. Need to find something to pull me back before I go over the edge. Oh no.
Now it's time for the most important part of blending, and that is cutting, okay? So I had to really cut these extensions so that it would work with her hair and just her hair's length and cut, and that would give us the best look overall. It's now time for everyone's favorite part, styling. You know we had to put some big body curls in this hairstyle to really tie the look together and give my girl some movement and some volume. I mean, that's what she wanted with the tape-ins anyway. So yeah, let's just do this styling and then you'll see. Now, if you know me, you know I hate coming through curls, but I really wanted to come in and show y'all how beautiful this blending between her color, the extension color, the curls, the layering, like it really all came together. Make sure you drop a comment and let me know what you think. Again, this was from 2022, back when I thought I was gonna be an extension specialist since I love color so much. So definitely like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more videos. Isn't she just gorgeous? I mean, she is not only gorgeous, but she is also a talented music producer. Make sure you check her out at London Elixir, and she is also a DJ as well. I'll link her information in the description box. But yes, this came out gorgeous. It's definitely giving easy breezy beautiful cover girl, but yes, make sure you subscribe.